Hello everyone! Today I'm going to draw a picture of cats. Let's draw its face first. Now I will make its ears prominent. These are the eyes. Wow, it has beautiful eyes. Do you like cats? These are very beautiful. Let's make its mouth. Let's make its body. Our cat is sitting. Wow! Here's the tail. Let's make another cat. It has beautiful hairs. I'm drawing its face. Let's draw its eyes. Oh, these are so cute. Let's make its body. Let's add some magical colors in it. It will look more awesome. This is red color.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Green. Which color is your favorite? I like all the colors. Every color is beautiful. Hurry up, let's draw with me. It's too much fun. Let's color it yellow. Our cat is gonna be very colorful.
What'll I do? Lost my partner. What'll I do? Lost my partner. What'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true.
Pink.
Wow,
this is beautiful.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
I'm choosing pink again. This is light pink color. How many of you have pet cats? I'm using blue color. Green. Our beautiful cats are ready. Bye.